Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Sheets Google Finance formula for real-time stock data. So the Google Finance formula in Google Sheets allow you to fetch real-time stock data and other financial information directly into your spreadsheets. So it is a useful tool for tracking stock performance, analyzing historical trends, and more. And so this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it. So the basic syntax of Google Finance is this one, equal to Google Finance, ticker, attribute, start date, end date, number days, and interval. So the ticker in here means that the stock ticker symbol in quotes such as GOOG for alphabet or prefix with the exchange if needed, such as Nasdaq GOOG. An attribute in here is optional, so it is the type of financial data you want to retrieve, such as price, volume, and others. And there's also start dates, the start date for historical data in year, month, and date format. And the end date is the end data of the number of days for historical data. And interval also optional. This is the frequency of historical data, such as daily or weekly. And to retrieve a current stock price, for example, you can use the Google Finance like this, Google Finance, and the ticker in here I'm going to find out, for example, the stock price for Google. You can write apostrophe GOOG like this, comma, and then write price, the attribute. The attribute. You can just close this and then hit on enter, and it will load. And this is the current price of the Google stock Google now. So this is the additional attribute. So you can retrieve various attributes of a stock. So here are some commonly used one. So price is for the current stock price, currency, the currency of the stock, volume, the current trading volume, and high and lows, the day's high price or low price, market cap, this is the market capitalizations, and PE is price to earnings ratio, EPS or EPS is earnings per share, name is the full name of the company, and change, PCT is percentage change in the stock price for the day. And here, for example, you want to see the market capitalizations of Apple. You can just write it like this, equal to Google Finance, and then the ticker is AAPL for Apple, and then comma, and in here write market cap if you want to find out the market capitalization. Close this, hit on enter, and it will show the market capitalizations of Apple. You can also retrieve historical data, stock data, by specifying the start date and end date, like this one right here at the top. For example, you want to fetch a daily closing prices for today's from the 20 until 25 January in 2025. So you can just write it like this, Google Finance, GOOG, okay, close for the closing price, and then you can write the start date, so 2025, and the date is 20, like this, comma, and the end date is 2024 25. Close this, hit on enter. Okay, so this is the result. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you can use Google Finance in Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.